Hello everyone. Today we will be talking about input function in Python. What does input function do? The main purpose of input function is to take the input from the user while program is running. So let's get started. So we are working on input function. In this example, I will be taking the input from user and asking what is his or her name. So let's get started. I'll use the keyword input and I will ask what is your name. This is an optional field, but it's good to have the description what you are asking. So in the next line we'll be printing hello and where. So even I'll use exclamation mark here. I'll use a concatenation function here as we discussed in string video. So let's see the output for this function. It is asking a name. My name is Amit and I'll press the enter and it gave us output as hello Amit. So this is very simple because we use the string. Now what if we want to have two numbers and then we want to add it? I'm just changing the same code. I'll say enter first number and the second one will be enter second number. For that, now I'll say enter second number and in variable I'll change the variable name as well. Now we'll initialize a variable called sum, and in sum what we want to do is we want to add the var plus var2. So let's see if that's working for us or not. Now I'll be running this program. This program will take two inputs. Oh, that's a surprise. That gave us 55 because by default it is taking input as a string and it is using the concatenation function here, but we wanted to have integer input. So what we will do, we'll add another topic here and we do the typecast for the inputs. So it's very simple. I'll just add int here in the front of each input type. So eventually what it does is it typecasted the input and now the value will be in the integer. So let's see the output now. For example, I want to see 45 is my first number and 53 is my second number. Now I want to see the result. It is giving us 98. So this way we can use the input from user during the runtime. So that's a really good feature if you want to do more work onto it. And moving forward, there will be a lot of videos coming up in this series. Please stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Please share, like and subscribe. Thank you.